How to delete campaign in Google Ads. So, all you want to do is go ahead and open up Google Ads and then go ahead and click on all campaigns, okay, on the left panel. Click on all campaigns, then come here and click on campaigns, right? And then you will see different campaigns right here, all your available campaigns. You want to hover your mouse over to the campaign you want to delete, and you will see these three options. So you'll see enable, pause, and remove. And of course, what we want to do here is click on remove, and then what's going to happen is they will bring up a prompt. Okay, this prompt basically, if you come and click confirm here, it will allow you to delete your campaign. Now, of course, this is permanent, okay? You will not be able to access this campaign and everything inside, like, for example, the keywords, the ads again. So you'll be given a prompt, and if you come here, click on confirm, your campaign will be deleted forever permanently. You will not incur any costs going forward, but you cannot get this again, okay? Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.